these guys are great guys, but they're in need of help.
Yeah, they need help.
And they're coming to help, and they're looking for it, and they're not getting it.
You're voluntary?
Mm-hmm.
Scanlon? Billy, for Christ's sakes, you must be committed, right?
But maybe the fact that outside of this is so much worse, and that concept is so terrifying, being on their own and having to do it on their own, they choose this because this is secure.
What are you doing here, for Christ's sake? What's so funny about that? Well, Jesus, I mean, you guys do nothing but complain about how you can't stand it in this place here, and then you haven't got the guts just to walk out?
I think he is bringing a revolution to this institution, and I think he's seeing that these people need him, which is interesting because that puts him on par with Nurse Ratched, because both these characters believe that they are needed, that these people need them.
Those are very challenging observations you made, Randall.